Sobrang saya ng kwentuhan at chikahan dito sa I Want ASAP. Kahit ngayon nasispil ako, tuloy pa rin ang conversation kasama ang KD Lex. Pero siyempre, meron pa tayong mga tanong para sa inyo guys. Di ba, Emilio?
Yes, so Alexa, nalaman namin na may bago kang project with isang Korean actor na si Jisoo.
Yeah.
Baka pwede mo namang i-share kung ano yung project na yan.
So, it's a movie entitled Mujige.
Mujige.
So, Mujige is a Korean word which means rainbow.
Wow.
Rainbow. So, I work with a kid here.
Okay.
So, it's my first time. Biglang na-realize ko, ganito din kaya ako nung bata ako. Like, ganito ba ako kulit, ganyan. But yeah, working with Jisoo, I was, honestly, I've never been intimidated my whole life. Hindi naman sa pagiging mayabang, pero like, kay Miss...
Lex, wala kami sinabi Wala kami sinabi.
Ikaw yung nagsabi nun,
No,
Alexa.
kasi I think people say, oh, hindi ka na intimidate because you're so good, no? You know naman, inuunahan ko na po kayo. So, hindi kasi, sa isang tao lang ako talaga sobrang kinabahan na intimidate, and that's kay Miss Maricel Soriano. And you would understand why.
Yeah,
Of course, of
Yeah.
course.
Miss Maricel Soriano. But
Totoo
she
yan.
was so amazing. Actually, binigyan niya ako ng tips. Sabi niya, huwag kang ma-intimidate kahit kanino. Kasi pantay-pantay lang tayo. Tao lang din lahat yan. So parang there's no need to feel that intimidation. So yeah, when I met Jisoo, I thought it would be hard kasi baka may language barrier. Syempre,
Yeah.
I don't really understand Korean. I just know Korean food. So, tas ang tangkad, sobrang tangkad. So, parang pag tinitignan ko siya talaga nakatingala ako. Tapos, tinatakot ako kasi ang tahimik niya. Very serious. That's what I realized. They're very serious actors. Not naman that us Filipinos aren't, ha? But, like, alam niya kung ano yung gusto niyang angle na I want.
Parang ibang system, ibang
Yeah,
mindset
iba
na you
sila
get to
gumalaw
experience.
din talaga. So, seeing how he was able to work with us, syempre he had to adjust din sa amin, sa atin. Ang galing niya, ang bait niya. Tapos nakakatuwa kasi I really saw how he slowly started to open up sa aming kanyang mga co-actor and pati sa
Wow,
staff.
nice.
Nakikipagbiroan siya. And iba din siya, like, very strict na pagdating niya sa set. Di na to joke time. Talagang work talaga. But yeah, he's so good. It was
Yeah.
like, rehearsal pa lang, binibigay na niya, pati yung blocking. Kahit ulit-ulit na siyang kinakat na, no, it's still rehearsal. No, give talaga siya.
Wow.
Yeah.
So nakaka-inspire din na, siyempre gusto ko rin pakita na magaling din tayo, na we're deserving to act with them, ganon. Ba't kayo natatawa?
Hindi. Ito yung gusto kong
Ako
itanong
kasi-
kay KD.
Oo.
Kasi, KD, as we're mentioning Alexa's project, sobrang daming projects, we want to know din, how have you been so supportive para kay Alexa during all of this?
Ako I give time to message Alexa talaga, and I really encourage her because sometimes she would message me na she's really tired.
Rant.
Nag-rant siya sa akin.
You know,
And
you know.
Ako, I'm always there to be her, a shoulder to cry on, or you can, an ear to, an ear you can shout in.
Literally. Kaya relationship goals talaga sila.
Oo, relationship goals talaga.
Pero aside from all the things that Alexa's doing right now, KD, may ginagawa ka din.
Yun, no?
Ano ginagawa mo?
KD!
Pinag-flex na yung body mo, yung hot
Oh my
bod
gosh.
mo. There are
Borta.
comments about you saying you're entering your Borta era. How do you feel about that?
Hindi.
Iba ka na!
No, because, ewan ko, it's just an internal thing. Pero I've always felt left out, especially when I'm being kunwari may prod na leading men, nakikita ko sila, fit sila. And ako at the time I wasn't really into my fitness yet. I wasn't really counting my food intake. Pero sinabi ko sa sarili ko, if I really want to excel in this business, I have to really take care of myself and not just my mental health but my physical health. So ayun, it's more on an internal thing, not really for anything. It's for me.
We can see that here.
Thank you.
Showing your aura, we
Thank
can
you.
see that.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
Saka it's
people say.
inspirational din, not only for us listening, but pati sa mga online squad mates din,
Oo,
na
po.
it's not an easy road to go through.
Oo.
Diba? So nakaka-inspire din hearing your words, brother.
Thank you, pare. Thank you.
Pero, KD, sorry, dahil #ASAP concerts tayo today, ano-ano ang share niyong mga concert memories, either as a performer or member to the audience?
Oh yeah, well, yung recent concert namin ni Alexa na
Yes,
Add to
yung concert
Heart.
niyo,
Yeah,
dalawa.
our first
Oo nga,
face-to-face
Sold
na
out yun,
concert.
di ba?
Yeah, it was
Oo.
sold out. Grabe yung pakiramdam namin ni Alexa. Sobrang kinakabahan talaga kami. And siya, wala siyang tulog and wala siyang kain at all. Because
Oo nga,
sobrang...
nag-guest siya sa amin nun, tapos kinabahan niya, dinunat niya sa amin yung mga...
Oh,
Wala akong tulog si Alexa di kumakain yan eh. Nung shoot na, hindi kumakain ka.
Nahiya lang kasi ako sa'yo kasi hindi ka kumakain.
Ikaw may...
Sorry na po.
Kaya mo kumain.
Sorry po.
Feeling ko nun, kakaya naman, kung kakain ako, siya nga, hindi nagugutom. Alam mo yun, ikaw yun eh.
Pero yeah, yung being in a concert, grabe talaga. It's different than being in ASAP eh. Like I thought,
Yeah.
kino-compare talaga, okay, this is just gonna be another ASAP, this is gonna be another out of town. Pero no, these people paid to go there to see you at your best, to see you to see you do something different, to see you
Interact.
interact with them too. And yeah, it's just a very fulfilling experience. I would compare it to theater pero a bit higher pa kasi ayun yung mga
So
fans
one-time
namin.
thing din kasi.
One-time thing din
Yes.
kasi.
Concert
Tapos
eh.
yung
Yes.
love ng tao, no? When
Yun
they
lang.
go to your concert, for sure, sobrang bongga ng exposure
Oo,
nun.
sobra.
and
Yeah, it was
everything.
really good. It was
Yeah.
so fun and talagang a memory that we will really cherish forever.
Yeah.
Yan, and we will always cherish our memories with you guys here dito sa I1
Thank you
ASAP.
guys for
Kaya
having us.
ngayon pa lang, please invite all of our online squad mates to all of your social media platforms, yung future projects ninyo.
Ayun guys, you can follow me on Instagram and X KD Estrada _. And you can follow me on Facebook also, KD Magno Estrada. And how about you?
And ako naman po, pwede niyo po akong abangan kada Sabado sa Pinoy Big Brother Gen 11 Up. Ang panibagong online tambayan ni Kuya, ang Pinoy Big Brother Gen 11 Up. Tuwing Sabado po yan, 8:30 onwards. Tuwing commercial break, you are with me. And ayan, you can follow me also on my social media platforms, Alexa Ilacan. Thank you guys!
Thank you, guys. Thank you,
Thank you,
Alexa.
Alexa.
Alexa,
so
maraming
much.
salamat sa inyo. KD Lex here on I1 ASAP Squad Mates, but we'll see you soon.